Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I start with the name of Allah Almighty, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Honorable audience, Assalamu alaikum. First of all, please like and subscribe to my channel. Today, the topic of my speech is Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is my idol. As you know, in this world, every person has an idol personality. Like I also have an idol person, and he is my idol too. I want to follow him, and I try to follow him. And personality I am talking about is our holy prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, for whom the world is created. To you, oh my hope, my hand I stretch, my master, and I am valueless. If you care, I don't fetch. You are the beloved and the light of my innocence, my lifetime's lettered, for my past and my future more intense. Dear fellows, in a hadith, Allah says to Hazrat Adam al-Islam, Muhammad will not be created, you also not be created. Hazrat Muhammad was born in Mecca, in the city of Saudi Arabia. His father's name is Abdullah and his mother's name is Baby Amna. Before his birth, his father passed away, and when he became 7, his mother passed away. When his mother died, he was nourished under the supervision of Bibi Halima. When he was young, he was famous for his honesty. The role model for every Muslim. I wish I were among you, the delighted or a drunk at one of the masjid's corner. Excited seeing you there, I get admired by your love like Mabat. By your beauty, I will be engulfed. When he became 63-year-old, he died. He was last prophet of Allah. There will not come any messenger after him. I complete my speech on this wording that shows my love for him. He gathered into himself Abraham's friendship with God. He exists the prophet as the sun exalts the moon of the ocean, the drop.